Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find system and updates. Then let's tap on software update at the top, and here tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to tap on device settings, and as you can see here we've got two different options which are connected with the automatic update. So let's pretend I've got all of them turned off. So the first thing I highly recommend to do is to tap on this switcher next to auto download over Wi-Fi, which means that your device will automatically scan for the software updates and then download them if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, which is quite nice because you do not have to do it manually. Your device will do it for you. And the second option, update overnight, is even better. So let's simply tap on this switcher next to it. Basically, your device will not only download the update, but also it will automatically apply it before 1 to 5 a.m. 1 and 5 a.m. Thanks to which you won't need to do anything manually. Your device will basically automatically decide which time is the best to update your device. Obviously it is at night, so there is a high chance that you're sleeping and you're not using your device, so you do not have to, stop using it regularly because it will happen at night. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.